Hello, my name is Dr. Frank Atherton and I'm the Chief Medical Officer for Wales. It's my job to give advice to the First Minister of Wales and the Welsh Government about matters which are important to your health. I wrote to you to ask you to stay at home to keep yourself safe from coronavirus. This is called shielding. I did this because you have a health condition and we wanted to protect you from catching coronavirus in case it made you very sick. In my last letter, I explained that you could go outside to play and get some exercise, and that you could also meet up with someone from outside your home, maybe a friend or someone else from your family. This was because we learned that it's not so easy to catch the virus when you're outside. We are learning new things about coronavirus all the time. We now know that children are far less likely to get very sick, and that's good news. Also, there are a lot less people with coronavirus in Wales now, so you are less likely to catch it. That means from the 16th of August, we will no longer be asking you to stay at home. This also means that when September comes, you can go back to school with your friends. It is very important, though, that you keep washing your hands really well and often. We also need to keep our distance. Remember to stay 3 steps away from other people. Thank you for staying at home, and I hope you enjoy your summer break.